You've seen the color, but not many see the power. What if a glass of beet juice could change the way your heart, your brain, and your body? Remember how to feel strong again? You don't need a full routine or a supplement shelf. Sometimes change begins with one quiet habit, one glass, one signal. Beet juice has been around forever, but what it does inside your body, that's something most people never fully understand. In this video, we're not going to list benefits. We're going to walk you through what actually shifts in your pressure, your stamina, your energy, your glow. When you invite just one cup first thing in the morning, you might feel a difference. You might feel something returning. 1. Lowers blood pressure. You've watched your salt, walked every day, taken the meds. Still, those numbers stay where they are, or worse, they rise without warning. You don't feel stressed, you don't feel off, but your body does. Sometimes the pressure doesn't come from a moment. It comes from accumulation, from all the things you carry, quietly. Beet juice is one of the few natural foods that's been studied again and again for what it does to your blood vessels. It doesn't act like a fix, it acts like a reminder. Your arteries soften. They expand just enough to let blood flow through without resistance. Why? Because beets are full of nitrates, the kind your body turns into nitric oxide, and that one shift relaxes your entire cardiovascular system within hours, not weeks. A glass in the morning won't change your life overnight, but it will speak to a part of your body that's been on alert for too long. Think of it as a quiet release, not dramatic, just steady, a signal to your heart that it doesn't have to fight today. And the beauty is, this isn't about cutting things out, not about restriction, rules, or fear. It's about letting something in, a color, a nutrient, a rhythm your body remembers but hasn't heard in a while. Let it in before the day begins, before stress has a name, before numbers define how you feel. Let it be the first kindness you offer to yourself. 2. Boosts stamina. There's a kind of tiredness you can't explain to others. It's not just from poor sleep. It's not because you didn't try. It's the kind that lives in your muscles, the kind that shows up when you carry groceries, or try to stand a little longer than usual. And the hardest part? You didn't see it coming. It arrives slowly, like fog rolling into a familiar street. Some days you feel strong. Other days, climbing stairs feels like climbing a hill you didn't sign up for. You don't need motivation, you need oxygen. That's what beet juice helps with. Not through caffeine, not sugar, but something much deeper, nitric oxide. Your body turns the nitrates in beets into this compound, and when it flows through your system, something simple but powerful happens. Your blood vessels widen, your muscles get more oxygen, and they stop gasping for support. Studies have shown that just one serving of beet juice can improve stamina by up to 16%. Not because it gives you new strength, but because it unlocks what was already there. Athletes use it, but you don't need to be one. You just need to remember that movement isn't punishment. It's freedom, it's agency, and it's yours to reclaim. Gently. Try a glass before your morning walk. Notice if your breath stays with you longer. Notice if your legs complain less. Notice if your body feels like it's willing again. This isn't about pushing harder. It's about helping your body do what it never stopped wanting to do. And maybe, just maybe, you'll begin to feel not younger, but more yourself again. 3. Improves skin. You've stood in front of the mirror, not out of vanity, but curiosity, trying to see if anything's changed, if your face still reflects how you feel inside. You've tried creams, serums, even those collagen powders that promise more than they ever deliver. And maybe they helped. A little. But your skin never asked for perfection. It asked for nourishment. It asked for space to breathe. Beets offer something gentler, vitamin C, betalains, and something less measurable, a way to detox from the inside without forcing change from the outside. These compounds help remove buildup, the invisible kind, stress residue, oxidative stress, that tiredness your skin sometimes carries before your body even says a word. One glass of beet juice a day won't erase time, but it may soften its trace, not just through collagen support, though that happens, not just through cellular repair, though that's part of it, but through flow, through circulation, through your body remembering how to carry light again. You might not notice it the first day or the second, but one day you'll see a reflection that feels a little more alive, not younger, just more you. Maybe a little glow around the eyes, a softness in the cheekbones, a color that looks less painted and more returned. And when someone says, "You look well," you'll smile, not because of what they see, but because of how you feel. That quiet shift didn't start with a cream. It started with something real, something red, something you gave yourself before the world told you to cover up again. 4. Supports heart health. Your heart is a quiet drum. It doesn't shout, it doesn't ask, it simply gives. From the moment you were born to this exact breath, it has kept rhythm even when life tried to knock it off beat. You may not think about your heart much. It doesn't complain. But sometimes, silence is its way of asking, "Can you take care of me too?" Beats help in a way that's gentle, not a jolt, not a shortcut. They support circulation. They help your vessels widen just enough so that every beat travels easier. The nitrates in beets turn into nitric oxide, and that relaxes the inner lining of blood vessels. Less resistance, less pressure, more flow. But it's not just flow, it's freedom. A kind your heart hasn't felt in years. Daily beet juice has been linked to lower blood pressure, better cholesterol balance, and stronger heart muscle tone. Not because it fixes the heart, but because it supports what's already loyal. This isn't about reversing anything. It's about meeting your heart where it's been waiting. And maybe, just maybe, you'll notice that your breath feels less tight, that your chest doesn't feel as heavy, that your walk feels more open. All of that from something small, a glass, a gesture, a rhythm returned, not from urgency, but from remembrance. You didn't stop taking care of yourself. You adapted. You adjusted. You did what life asked, even when it asked too much. But in all that survival, something quiet faded. Your breath, your bounce, that sense of, "I've got this." Not because you gave up, but because no one asked your body what it needed to keep going. And even if you did ask, you didn't always hear the answer, because it wasn't loud, it wasn't urgent, it was quiet, like a whisper beneath fatigue, like strength, hiding under stillness. Maybe this video isn't about beet juice. Maybe it's about permission, to return, to reconnect, to say to your body, "I remember you. I still believe in what you can do." And maybe your body's been waiting to hear that for a long time. You don't need a new routine or a full reset. You just need one act of support that feels like presence, not pressure. Because healing after 60 isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming yourself again, not younger, just more aligned, more nourished, more home. So, if this spoke to a part of you you thought you'd forgotten, maybe that part hasn't forgotten you. This isn't about fixing your health. It's about honoring the part of you that still wants to participate in your life. That part isn't gone. It's just been quiet, waiting for the right signal. Maybe this was it. If something in this video felt familiar, even just one sentence, leave a comment below with, "I'm ready to return," or share this with someone who's been tired without knowing why. Sometimes healing starts with a single glass, and a single moment of feeling seen. In our next video, we'll look at a forgotten nutrient that helps your joints move smoother, and your sleep return to its rhythm. So, if you've felt stiff, restless, or just off balance, stay with us. The return continues.